Yeah, so I'm Srinivas from Mumbai. So I have almost an experience of 20 years, varied experience I can say. Like I was in sales for almost 10 years. I was into marketing for almost 4 years, and since last 6 years I'm into training and development in pharma sales. So before attending this program like NLP, I heard this is one of the good program. When you are in training and development, or when you want to bring some change, in the behavior of the uh, organization, like, or in the team. So this is one program which will help you. I heard about it, but then when I got the opportunity, and when I came to know about the program dates, I without any second thought, I got enrolled into it. And this is my candid opinion that this is one of the wonderful program which I have attended. And uh, yes, definitely, as a program, this is not if you see NLP, it is not only for the professionals, but I can definitely recommend this program for everyone, because this is one program which will certainly bring lot of change in your personal life, because this will help you identify the triggers. Are this will also help you make realize what are the things which are really troubling you in your day to day life. You can identify those triggers, and you can definitely come out of those beliefs which you earlier felt that you this was impossible, or this you were not able to do. But after attending these programs, I have started implementing some of the learnings, and I'm feeling very confident and very happy. It will be too early, but then yes, I can see that real change in me as an individual in the last 4 days. So I'll certainly recommend this program for everyone. And the one good thing about this, of course, the program is very interesting. NLP topic itself is interesting, but yes, a lot of kudos and my appreciation to the trainers. They were very good. They were very cooperative, and you will enjoy, this program. Apart from enjoyment, I am very keen that you will learn many things, and you'll be more confident in your future endeavors, which will make easy to accomplish your future endeavors. Thank you.